I am on my way to pick up my birthday cake. I am picking it up from someone who did my birthday cake last year, which was an IU palette theme design because I was turning 25 and I really liked her cake and like her design, so I decided to go with her again. The cake from last year costed me like a lot of money, and this year again also costed me a lot of money, but just a little bit less. I don't know if next year I will go back to her just because of pricing, but her cakes are so good. Last night I had a bad dream about this cake that I went to go pick it up and it wasn't what I asked for at all, and I didn't realize until I started serving it to people that the top part didn't say what I wanted to say, and instead it said fuck around and find out, and it was a circle cake instead of a heart-shaped cake, and the side designs that I specifically wrote in detail, all of that was just not what I asked for. But we'll see. I have a good inkling that it will be good because she's really good at what she does. I grew up with giving out party favors and bringing food and just trying to be a host that makes sure everyone is taken care of rather than someone who enjoys the party. So birthdays for me are kind of always stressful because I choose to want to celebrate it and host things. It'll be fun, hopefully, and get back to you then. I'm already home and I did pick up the cake. It's super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like. So it's a little hard to see. This is what the inside is looking like. Here you could see one angel did fall, but it's not that big of a deal. I can easily just press it back onto the cake. I did it with this other one right here. But this is what it's looking like. It says Pretty in 26, which is the theme of my birthday, which was pretty much Pretty in Pink theme. And there are frosting flowers on the top, and the bottom has the angels and flowers underneath. She also included candles with the cake. Overall, I'm really happy with the cake design. It's probably not 100% what I visualized, even though I gave very specific details of what I wanted. I also just wanted it to at least look good, bare minimum. But I hope that it tastes just as good as it looks.
Is it for your birthday you get something? Oh, we have like little birthday sundaes that we give out. It's just a little ice cream and salt. Is it your birthday?
Yeah,
happy birthday.
Just thank you. So just get that, but that's it. It's like,
Yeah, do you want it now or later?
no, just like that.
Yeah, of course. Just let me know when you're ready for it.
Thank you. Thank you.
More brown bread.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Baby, you big wish. There you go. Just here. Just here. And Daddy here. And me.
Dinner.
Hello. Dinner finished at Cheesecake Factory. We're full.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Happy birthday, baby.
Good morning. It is currently the day after my birthday, but the day of my birthday party, and it's about 10:21 a.m. right now. I leave at 1:45 p.m. and I am not packed and I am not finished prepping stuff for my birthday party today. My room is quite a mess. I have so many things that I need to package and bring. Let me just show you. These are gifts that I'm gonna give to my friends who outdress me. I got them a Bay's Wicked toiletry bag with some Sol de Janeiro perfume set, and then this is a Fear of God Essentials polo t-shirt, I think. And I didn't know what size the guy who would win this would be, so I ended up getting 2 other sizes just in case that size doesn't fit. I believe this is a large and that's an extra large. For party favors, I bought this cute little thing. It's like a hangover kit and a prescription bottle, and it just says Recovery Kit Pharmacy, prescription hangover relief, take as needed, kit quantity 1, refills remaining 0. The RX number is basically my birthday for this year. Side effects, nausea and headaches, at least she didn't die. And of course it says Alexis's 26th birthday. I usually do photo cards as like a thank you note, but this year I was just a little too stressed and tired to do all of that, and financially just not capable because I did all of this extra stuff. So I just am leaving it as this. I love it, and I hope the people who do come love it as well. Daniela is finally here, and let me just show you what my car looks like. It's pretty full. This is the seats. This is the trunk. Yeah, and this is all for one day. We made it! Woo! And they made it before I did.
happens.
Oops. This is what the Airbnb looks like. Woo! I can't believe people actually kind of just live here.
This is not. I thought we said we barely had alcohol.
Middle of nowhere.
What do you mean? We barely have alcohol.
Is this not one night that we are partaking in?
That is one night.
That's scary.
What do you mean?
You should look at the 2 soju boxes as well.
Oh, this is pretty good. Pretty fucking good.
He said, I'd recommend.
Anyways, if you guys didn't know, if you buy Tito's, it like donates to dog rescues.
Shout out Tito's.
Yeah, shout out Tito's.
Tito's. Tito's should sponsor us.
Here are other rooms. Ooh, so nice. That's a room, the bathroom, and then the 2 double beds. There are a few activities here too outside. There's ping pong, we have this, and pool table. I'm really excited about this. Foosball is my favorite game. The reason why this is my favorite is because in middle school, I would play foosball after daycare every single day. I'm just gonna set up the adoption kits. The what? Yeah, the adoption kits.
What did he say?
We're opening an orphanage. Yeah, super cute. Some animals aren't gonna get adopted though.
Damn. Tough. That's all that skill issue.
They also have adoption certificates. Alright, this is what the setup is looking like. I put all the people in the front who I don't think are getting adopted, just so they have a higher chance. Yay! Well, I thought you're gonna be a father.
Huh?
You're a father.
What do you mean I'm a father? I get to pick one?
Yeah.
Oh. The fox.
Ooh. Welcome to adoption.
Oh, fuck. Which one do I want? No. No! He ran after it. Yes, yes! Where's the dinosaur?
These are real life animals.
Dinosaurs are real. Throw your ass up.
They help.
I'm the alpha. I like turtles.
Okay, cool. All of my party favors have now been set up. All of them right here, right when you enter. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Soju reveal.
Damn. You're lucky.
Wow. Is that enough?
Let's be real here. Let's be real here. There's only gonna be like 4 people drinking any sort of alcohol here.
Damn, but I bought Tito's.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh,
You didn't see the bottom?
Hey, look, my wicked babe.
You're the first one to open it, so. I'm
Oh,
gonna record.
really?
Yeah. No one grabbed one.
Oh, so when I put my hair in it. What is this? Is this a lifesaver? Hey, let's go over here.
I was like, damn, this is a lot of rice actually.
So we have a scrunchie, a mint, 2
Well, no,
mints.
I'm washing it, so.
Are these ear
Like,
plugs?
like, if there's 8, we just fill it up all the way to
I don't know how your place works with the
What?
hanger, but I'll do
I
it.
don't know that. No, where it says 8.
Bill.
3 times? This is a lot. Yeah, he's
It's so you don't yak, or after you yak.
That's why I
So I don't get the headaches, I can keep drinking.
Yeah.
Cleansing cloths. That's fire. IV, of course. Oh, isn't those things you put under your eyes? Throw a shower on.
me and Alexis the only girl saying.
This is nice. Now I have to put it all back in.
Okay, say your name.
My name's Neil, and I think Mary Ramos will be the most fucked up by the end of the night.
You know, that's a good one. Let's do that.
Michael. I think Adrian or Neil.
I'm Rev, and I think Mary's gonna be dead.
That's 2 for Mary. Name.
Name's Blaine. I think Rob's gonna be the most fucked up.
Anything to say?
Oh, I'm Rob. I think that Mary and Neil are gonna be the most fucked up by the end.
My name's Daniela. I think it'll be a tie between Adrian, Neil, and Mary. And then
The 3 usual
Alexis.
suspects.
Yeah, no, literally. The 4 horsemen. Except Alexis would probably know or handle herself, or No one to quit.
I'm not really having fun at Alexis's birthday. And then fast forward like 3 hours while I'm drunk. I'm having so much fun.
It's gonna fast forward. It's just gonna be you on the couch, like knocked out with a bag next to you.
Oh yeah, any of the papers? Yeah, one of these two.
Okay, you can pick two.
Hey, we should make one.
I was gonna try some of the corned beef. Yeah, the wet corned beef. See what the hype's about. No, wet corned beef. I've had corned beef. It's good. I like corned beef.
Right. Left. Right.
Pour my drink already.
Okay, I'm gonna give out the prizes for those who I think outdressed me right now.
This is for outdressing me.
What?
Oh, sorry.
This is so cute!
Yeah.
Soul Station Mirror?
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad it came to me. I'm one of the guys got this.
For the guys.
Sticky. How do you say that? That's it. You guys are just up here.
No, you did a big one. No, because you lost. What do you mean? We're playing ping pong and you lost. Take a.
This is about dressing.
She's taking a slice, so.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, what? I'm stressing.
Yeah.
It's an essential.
Try for you.
Like the box or like the gift?
The box. No.
What the fuck?
It is! What?
No way. No way. No fucking way.
Damn, Alexis, that
Whoa!
I was like, I don't want to.
Oh, it's a polo.
I haven't been recording, but we're gonna play Rage Cage.
We're getting fucked up. I need to leave, so she better be fucked up soon. Stinky.
Last time I was fucked up was at your guys' birthday.
Who's our guys? Sorry, we like to travel. We like to travel.
They're making fun of me.
I'll be right. You got to do it.
This is not even a song playing.
All of these spots.
It's okay, I can't hear what songs.
Yo!
Hey, do the dance, do the dance. Hey, across.
Down, bitch.
Where's Sophia?
What game is she playing?
Wait, what the fuck?
Oh wait, I'm not supposed to do that.
Just start. Just fucking start. Sophia ruined it.
Damn. Get Sophia. What? No.
Oh! Wait, what?
It was the first again. First one. Okay, let me tell you. If you make it the first time, I didn't make it. I didn't even throw the ball.
This is Neil's crib? Get it away.
Oh shit.
Damn, fuck me. You should've got a GoPro.
Okay, I can't record this. When it ends, I'll record the last one if I'm not losing. Thank you all. Oh, sorry, I have nothing else to say.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alexis. Happy birthday to you. 26, baby!
Bad cutting skills.
Eat that. That way you don't feel upset.
Am I the Chiefs?
An angel fell. Last year when you cut the cake, didn't you like completely drop it? Yes.
It's being recorded.
Remember 3 years ago?
It's okay, she puts music over it or something.
I might drop it again.
Fuck Jacoby Brissett. Fuck the Patriots. Fuck Dallas Goddard, man.
Nice.
My friend Adrian is really fucked up right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, you're not.
What's my name?
Adrian.
Urshamay.
Same soldier.
That's kind of weird.
This is a man going to war.
You're staying over?
By the way, guys, his work is in like 4 hours.
That's
Did you get one, Dakota? This?
Take one.
Okay, is there any back in your bag?
You're sleeping over? Oh, I know, but this is a party favor. No, it's for everyone.
In the drink side or like?
No, like somewhere on the side here.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me.
At least it's better than some people.
One.
We didn't have 4 horsemen rage cake.
We didn't. We didn't do a lot of 4 horsemen stuff. It was 1 horseman today.
Yeah, it was 1 horseman, and the horseman has work in 4 hours.
Yeah. The 1 horseman put in the work for 4. Get your 3rd horseman.
Oh, here comes another one.
You can on behalf of 3. Yeah, you said moving, Mom. Thank you for tuning into the program.
First of all, there's
Once
more.
again.
But first of all, there's more.
This is war. Next.
No, we're not doing that.
Once again, I'm doing it.
I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna
Thank
end
you for
it.
tuning into this program.
I'm not recording.
What is this? Waterfall. Can I explain?
There's no
You
word
can do the
limit, but you
funniest
have to
thing
say
right
the
now.
That's what I'm saying.
Drink
But then we have no more
until
sauce.
the last person stops.
I got it.
I don't know what's going on. Oh.
So basically, we could hold.
Say I'm waterfall. So. Wait, we don't have that 5-second roll. 5 syllable. 5 whatever fucking roll.
Please stop drinking. It's a chain action.
Sorry.
I'm a fat ass burp, bro.
Do I have to drink all of it right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In one sitting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I mean, you can drink it, whatever, but you do have to finish it.
Let's finish these cards.
Yeah.
Let's keep going. That's rough.
Let's keep this vibe going.
Let's keep this vibe going.
What did you say? Now that sounds like a plan.
You heard me. We stay up until 6. No. We stay up. ¿Qué tiempo es eso? ¿Qué tiempo?
What are you saying? What?
Me?
Are you okay?
We are now home.
Oh, it does. Woo! It should be regular wrap only.
Is that a cake?
Yeah. Slime.
Palabok or cake?
Why are you telling us to bring some?
I told you there was no foil.
I got no foil,
It's been a few days since my birthday, but I'm just finally getting to recap it. Overall, I think I had fun. I definitely wish that more of my friends were able to come, but it was during Thanksgiving weekend. No one really understands what it's like to want to celebrate your birthday, but your birthday's on a holiday weekend, and obviously you can't take your friends away from their family, or if they have Thanksgiving plans. It is what it is. I think it's just unfortunate. I still had fun, but I definitely think I've had better birthdays. When I turn 30, maybe I'll stop celebrating my birthday because it'll just be another year. I'm really grateful for the people who were willing to give me their time that weekend. My joy really comes from seeing other people have fun at my parties. If they had fun, then so did I. That's all I had to recap, and I will see you guys all the next time.